Next topic is moving a file to folder. So in Google Drive you can easily move a file in folder. To move a file to folder, select the file you want to move in a folder. Then click on More Action button. Click on Move to option. So click on the folder in which you want to move the file. Then click on Move. So file will move in a selected folder. Next topic is delete a file. So in Google Drive we can delete a file which is no longer needed or required. So as in a computer, when we delete any file, it goes into recycle bin. But in Google Drive, when we delete any file, it goes into trash folder. And if you want to delete the file permanently, then you have to delete the file from trash folder also. So to delete a file, select the file you want to delete, then click on Remove button. So file will move to trash folder. Next topic is restore the deleted file. So as in Google Drive, when you delete any file, it goes into trash folder and file will remain in a trash folder for few days or for few weeks. And if you want to restore the file, it means if you want that file back, then click on trash. Then click on file you want to restore. Click on restore from trash. So with this, a file will be removed or disappear from the trash and it will appear on its original place or original location. Next topic is delete the file permanently from Google Drive. So if you want to remove or delete any file permanently, you have to delete that file from trash folder also. So to delete or remove file permanently, click on trash. Then select the file you want to delete permanently. Click on delete forever button. So delete forever dialog box will appear on screen. Click on delete forever to permanently delete or remove selected files. Next topic is sharing file or folder. So after uploading or storing the files in Google Drive, you can easily share files and folders with your friends, family and relatives. So to share file or folder, select the file or folder you want to share. Click on share button. Share with others dialog box will appear on screen. Here type the email ID of a person with whom you want to share the file. Then click on send button. Last topic is sign out from Google Drive. So after finishing your work in Google Drive, you must log out or sign out from Google Drive. So to sign out from Google Drive, click on Google account icon. A pop-up window will appear on screen. Click on sign out button. So with this, our Google Drive window will close.